Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Vic, and I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If this is your first time on the channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that, I invite you to stick around, watch the video. If you make it to the end, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. Folks, today, got another unboxing video. Interesting brand, pretty cool what they do. Brand that I've had them on my radar for a while, just never pulled the trigger until recently. I'm really excited to have this. I hope it's worth it. And let me stop rambling. Let's just get straight up into this unboxing. All right, so we have the package here. So like I said, I've been wanting to get this watch for a while. This brand has been on my radar for a while. Shoot, at least 3 or 4 years. This came to me from Sweden. So this is a Swedish brand. And I like their message here. Thank you for your order. And this is information about returns and exchange. We have the watch. TRIWA or TRIWA, not exactly sure how you pronounce that. But Swedish brand, and the cool thing about this watch, let me get this box out the way. Cool thing about this brand is this watch is made from recycled ocean plastics. TRIWA appears to be like a really socially conscious brand. I believe all this packaging is made from recycled materials as well. Yeah, designed in Stockholm, blah, blah, blah. Pretty cool packaging. So this is the Ocean Timer. I got it in black. Now, the strap, the watch case, and I believe the dial are all made from the recycled ocean plastics, which I think is really cool. I am a environmentally conscious person myself, so when I first learned about this, I was on board, and I really wanted to support. This is a quartz watch. It's a quartz chronograph. Everything looks like it's painted on the dial. You guys can see that. Let's get this out, this little guard here, and hopefully make sure it's working. And it's working. You see it's ticking. But yeah, this doesn't feel like your typical NATO. It's actually pretty thick. But this guy cost me $165 before tariffs. Yeah, I got hit with a tariff fee this morning, which brought the price of this guy up significantly. The total tariff bill was about $88. I was not happy about that. If you anyone who's ever in doubt about who pays tariffs, it's we do. I don't understand how people let themselves be suckered into believing otherwise. But look, that's neither here or there. That's a rant for a different channel. I want to keep that stuff off my channel. But it feels light. It feels solid though. It actually feels more solid than my Swatch Moon Swatch, which is bioceramic. Yeah, everything on the dial looks painted on. No date complication. So that is a running seconds hand, not a chronograph. I have to read the instructions on this guy because it's not acting like a chronograph right now. But I'm going to read the instructions on this guy, and this guy will get a full review. So this is the TRIWA or TRIWA. I'm not sure how you pronounce the brand name. But this is the Ocean Timer. It comes in this color, the black, which is the one that I like. It also comes in a blue color. TRIWA has a bunch of different watches in their line. They have a diver also that I've seen. Looks cool. They have one that looks like a field watch. Also looks nice. And they have a line of watches that are made from confiscated firearms, illegal firearms. So they seem to be a pretty socially aware brand, watch brand, which is cool. You know, I don't mind that stuff. But this is it. This is the Ocean Timer. So with that said, folks, I'm gonna end the video here. Just a quick unboxing video. I got a lot of content coming down the line. A lot of watch pickups. I was trying to beat the tariffs, so I went a little crazy. So with that, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Peace.
Hey YouTube, it's Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. Got any questions or suggestions for content? Well, scan this QR code, send me an email. Maybe you see your idea come up, or I'll answer your question on a video. Thank you for watching.